This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. AI agents are hitting a wall of confidence. It is the gap between sounding right and actually being right that is now defining the enterprise experience. 57% of organizations have already seen an AI agent produce a confident but wrong answer. This usually happens because the context feeding the model is thin or inconsistent. Most companies rely on RAG as their primary data source. But the security underneath is fragile. 69% of agent fleets are sharing credentials. Only about 1/3 of enterprises give every agent its own scoped identity. When an agent is compromised, there is no clean way to tell who did what. It is a strange paradox. Satisfaction with these tools is high, yet the actual containment is almost non-existent. This instability at the software level reflects a deeper shift in where the hardware actually lives. We are seeing a massive replatforming wave. 45% of enterprises are now evaluating specialized AI clouds. They are moving away from general-purpose providers. Interestingly, they are not buying based on the price per token. That is the least important factor. For buyers, instead, they care about integration, but they are flying blind. Most companies cannot even rigorously track their GPU utilization, with many units running at half capacity or less. To make the scale sustainable, the industry is turning to extreme efficiency. Formula SPIN is a great example. It uses self-play to master spell the formulas, without needing human labels. It uses SVD_Quant to run 4-bit diffusion inference. This cuts peak memory use by 50% while speeding up the denoising loop. But there is a tax for privacy. When companies move to confidential computing on H100 GPUs, for a model like Mistral 7B, the latency penalty is about 21%. These technical battles are now spilling over into global diplomacy. The US is navigating a controversial nuclear deal with Saudi Arabia, while Boeing is seeing its aircraft orders from China stall over guarantees for engine parts. Meanwhile, the EU is using its regulatory hammer to keep big tech in check. Google was just hit with a $1 billion fine for abusing its dominance in search and app stores. The race for AI supremacy is no longer just about who has the best model, but who controls the supply chain and the rules of the road. Today, we have seen a clear pattern. From the identity crisis in agent security to the shift toward specialized clouds and the friction in global trade. The common thread is a measurement gap. We are deploying capabilities faster than we can secure or quantify them. As the industry is building a skyscraper of innovation, but the foundation is still being poured. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.